Okay, everybody stand. So, Miss Bundas, can you lead the prayer of the Father, the Son, and the Spirit? Amen. So, before you take your seats, kindly pick all the trash in your area and fix yourself first. Okay, so now, take your seat. So, good morning, everyone. So, for those who don't know me yet, I am teacher Rachel Tambis, your English teacher. So, before anything else, let me ask you, how was your day, class? Okay, so it's nice to know that you're doing great today. So, let me check your attendance first. Who's absent? None. Okay, so I'm glad that all of you are here today. So, now let's have a recap. So what was our topic yesterday again? Okay, it's all about facts and beliefs. So, since we already tackled facts and beliefs, we're going to, let's move to our new topic, which is fantasy and reality. So, before we dig deeper to our topic, let me cite first the objectives that should be achieved right after the discussion. So, first, okay, so first, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to recognize the difference of reality from a fantasy. So the second one, answer and construct sentences whether it is reality or fantasy. And the last one is value the importance of fantasy and reality in the day-to-day activities. So now, are you ready? Okay, good. So, I prepared here some pictures for you to identify if it is fantasy or reality. So, now I'm going to divide you into two groups. First group is the row 1 and the second group is the row 2. So, each group shall have one representative to raise their answers. So, the first one who raised their answer will automatically get 5 points. So, let's start. Okay, so the first picture is Wolverine. Yes, group 2? Yes, it is a fantasy. So, for the second picture, yes, group 2 again. What? Fantasy? So, for the third picture, Darna. Okay. Fantasy. It's from group 1. Group 1, right? So, the fourth picture, Emilio Jacinto. Yes, group 2? How about Superman? Yes, group 1? Okay. So, Jose Rizal, group 1 again. Okay, reality. So, let's check it after class, ha? So, this one, group 1, okay, reality. So, how about this? Juan Luna, yes, group 1 again, reality. So, how about Captain America? Okay, fantasy. So, the last one is Hawkeye. So, yes, group 2. Okay, this is fantasy. So, now, let's check your outputs. So, let's check reality. For reality, Emilio Jacinto, Jose Rizal, Julian Felipe, and Juan Luna. So let's check. So, are they reality? So, these 4 national heroes is reality because it is it happens in real life situation. The people here is our national heroes. So it is reality. So this 4 pictures is correct. So let's proceed to fantasy. Wolverine, Superman, Chora Aquino, Captain America, Hawkeye, and Darda. So let's check. So is this all fantasy? Yeah, you got it right. See, Chora Aquino is wrong because this belongs to reality. So it is not fantasy because this is a person. This is our national hero, and it really exists in real life. So this is for reality. So, okay, so now we have the 5 realities. So it is all national, it is our national heroes. So for fantasy, okay, so the group 1 got 30 points while group 2 get 20 points. Okay, so thank you everyone for your cooperation. So I hope this activity gives you a glimpse or idea about what was our topic really all about. So to dig deeper, Teacher Colleen will continue the discussion.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Okay, so again, I am Teacher Colleen and I will be the one who's going to continue our discussion. Okay, so I assume that you already have some clues in your mind about our topic. Since we already have our activity and Teacher Rochelle already presented it a bit to you. Okay, you guessed it right. Our topic for this afternoon is all about reality and fantasy. So first, let us know the definition of these two. Okay, so reality is the state of things as they exist. It's what you see, hear, and experience. While fantasy is an idea with no basis and basically your imagination unrestricted by reality. So now let us know the difference between the two. So reality refers to something or an event that happened and that can really happen in real life or that truly exists. While fantasy refers to an event or something that cannot or do not happen in real life. So it only refers to someone's imagination and it really doesn't exist. So in order for you to understand it well, let me give you some examples for it. So let us have first for the reality. For example, the teacher is pleased by her students' creative projects. So is it a reality or fantasy? Yes, you got it right. It is a reality because it is true that the teacher really pleased or happy every time the students put effort and do their assigned task well. So, and it also happened in real life scenarios, just like in classroom setting. So that is a reality. Another example is many people had recovered from COVID-19. So is it a reality or not? Okay, it is a reality because it is true that COVID-19 or the pandemic happened, and even us, we have witnessed and experienced such kind of event. Okay, I will give you some examples for the fantasy too. So let's say the explorers saw a lot of gold in the end of the rainbow. Is it a fantasy or a reality? Okay, it is a fantasy because nobody has been into the end of the rainbow and nobody ever saw it yet. And that is why we can testify that there's a lot of gold there. So that is a fantasy because it only happens in the imagination of someone. Another thing or another example is the water droplets turned into diamond when it froze. Is it a reality or not? Yes, it is a fantasy because water droplets froze, but it doesn't turn into diamond. It only turned into what? Yes, ice. That's right. So I assume that you learned something, and in order for us to know it, I will be giving you, I guess it's 10 item quiz. I want you to get your paper and try to answer this activity. Okay, are you ready, class? So I'll be giving you at least 5 minutes to answer this. So this is very quick and easy quiz. Okay, so your 5 minutes starts now. Two minutes left. Okay, that's it. Okay, pass your paper to the front. Okay, thank you so much. And for your assignment, write it only on your notebook. Kindly compose or construct 5 sentences for fantasy and 5 sentences for reality. So I guess we are running out of time. So thank you so much for this afternoon class. Kindly all stand. Okay, goodbye everyone. Have a good day.